Guys, I will be applying Ubtan pack in my underarms for straight 7 days and see how it turns out to be. I'm so excited for this, so let's see how to make it. So for this you need a tablespoon of Ubtan, a tablespoon of sandalwood powder, little bit of honey, add some curd and a dose of vitamin C is essential here. So squeeze some lemon, give it a nice stir and we are done here. So let's start with this experiment now.
So guys, this is gonna be the day one of using the mask. I'm very excited to use it. I have shown you how to make it, and this is just gonna be the day one. The situation looks something like this, and the summer is just around the corner, and I really want them to be flawless. So we are just gonna be applying this and see how it turns out to be.
So it's very easy to apply. Just make sure that you do not ruin your clothes, and you just need to wait for 10 to 15 minutes, not beyond that. I usually wait for 15 minutes and then wash it off.
So guys, this is gonna be day 3 of applying the pack. I have right here, I have already made it up. So it is working fine for me till now.
And guys, the difference which I'm noticing is once you wash it off, because it has already been 3 days, it helps in making your underarms baby butt smooth. And now this was the day 5. The dark spots were still there, but I guess it was definitely making my underarms look so much smoother and better.
So guys, this solution can be runny sometimes, so just make sure that you wear something accordingly. And I usually do it before going to the bathroom, so I just wrap a towel around because it's so much easier. Now we are gonna wait for another 15 minutes. I usually leave it for 15 minutes and I'll see you guys right back.
Now I'm going to be telling you some facts about this pack. Now Ubtan is an Ayurvedic body cleanser which is packed with essential herbs, and it helps in yielding a healthy glow to your skin. It also has turmeric which helps in cleaning out the skin and brightening the complexion. Now guys, let's just talk about Mamaearth Vitamin C range. Now this consists of a face wash and a face pack. The brand is plastic positive guys. They have PETA certification and it's an Indian brand, we all know. Now the first step is gonna be applying the face wash. Now this face wash has vitamin C and turmeric which helps in brightening up your skin and imparts that healthy glow. It helps in boosting the collagen production. It also is devoid of any harmful chemicals and free from toxins and parabens. Now if you use my code RITU2021, you'll get extra 20% off, and these products are available on Amazon, Nykaa, Purple and Mamaearth. Now this is a face pack guys which consists of the goodness of vitamin C and colonic clay. It makes your skin bright and healthy. Vitamin C and turmeric present in the mask helps you achieve radiant glow. And you can look at my skin, it looks pretty, radiant and glowing instantly after using this. Now guys, this was the day 7 of using the Ubtan mask and it definitely has made a difference. I hope you guys can see that. Yes, the texture is gonna be there, but it definitely helps in making your skin so much brighter and smoother, and it takes away those dark spots for sure. And this is all for this video. I'll see you guys super soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I love you guys so much.